How are you doing? Colin here, and this is Shine Automotive, and today we're doing something very, very different. We're doing a New Holland tractor. It's a T7 and it's 235 brake horse, and that is a proper big bus that we've got coming in the yard. So Sam's going to crack on and service it up, and I'm going to film him doing it at a safe distance. Also, we've smashed 300 subscribers now, so thank you very much. So that's down to you. And if you haven't subscribed, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe, and let's crack on with what we've got to do today. Let's do this! So what we're doing today on it is we're doing just an engine service. All the grease nipples have been done by the owner, so it's all been greased up. So we're doing the oil, the filters, just blowing out the air filters. So yeah, got everything here we need to go. We don't need the Fanta. You don't want to put that in the coolant. So yeah, got the New Holland oil and all the filters. So let's get on with it. It's got a bird's nest in it, Sam's just told us. There is a bird's nest apparently. There we go, there's a bird nest. So we'll be taking that out. That's not what you need under your bonnet. So first thing, Sam's going to crack the oil and drain the oil. How many litres of oil is it, old Sam? 15. She's got 15 litres of oil to empty out. So someone's just on the side. It's got Allen key. What size is the Allen key, Sam?
12.
She says 12. Yeah, that's due a change. The oil's nearly out now. It's meant to hold 15 litres, but I don't think it's had 15 litres in there. But it'll be getting 15 litres back in. Have a look in the cab.
Heated leather seat.
She's got a heated leather seat, Sam's just told us there. Lots of pedals, if you don't know what all these pedals are for. You got left brake and a right brake. You can lock them both together as well. How many gears has he got, Sam?
It'll be, I think about 32, probably, something like that.
Yeah.
Got a computer there, you need to understand.
It'll probably have aircon as well, will it?
Aircon, air brake.
Look at them tyres. Say them wheels are as nearly as big as me. But with my big air right now, I think I'm winning just.
Hasn't been done in a while either. These are Fleet Guard filters.
Yep.
But we're going to be using genuine case New Holland filters.
Right.
So that's the water separator filter off.
What are you doing under there? So what's this one now then, Sam?
Another fuel filter.
Yeah. This one's visible, you can actually see. Is it like a glass reservoir? Oh wow. I don't know if you can see that. Wow. So where are these made then, Sam?
Holland. I don't know. There is a factory in Basildon that make New Holland tractors. I'm not sure exactly where that model's made, as you can see.
Wow, yeah. That's been well overdue. So what are you doing now?
Clean this black ball out.
Is it just brake cleaner you're using there?
Yeah.
Yeah. And brake cleaner will dissolve all the contaminants in it. Do you have to change that spring over? Take it the filter doesn't come with a spring. And the spring goes down. It must clip into the just sits in. And that just screws up at the bottom, does it, to come loose?
Yeah, it's a very old school. Very, very old school.
Tried and tested.
Not what I meant to be tight because it is glass.
So just a little nip up.
Yeah. Water separator, genuine.
What are you two doing? Have you come to help service? So what are you doing there, Sam?
Thin smear of oil so the next guy can get it off.
And is that just hand tight then?
Yeah.
So you have to swap that over from the over filter then, yeah?
Yeah. Water sensor.
And then plug in the water sensor cable back in, and that's the filters on the fuel side swapped out. So it's priming the system up now, which is the plunger there. I don't know if you can hear in the tank. Can you hear that? Got the mic in the tank so you can hear that. And obviously you can see there's fuel in the reservoir now.
4 litres in between minimum and maximum. It's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah. So it's nearly got all the 15 litres in it now. Let's see if she'll start after having the filters changed and primed up properly. Has he done a proper job? Oh, he's done a proper job. So then he'll get down now and he'll probably inspect the filters for leaking, see if there's any leaking or anything like that. Leave your old sister alone. You're bullying her again. Right, so we've just got to take the side panel off now so we can get rid of the bird's nest, which Sam's unscrewed. It's just a flat blade screwdriver. Quarter of a turn and the side panel's off, and that'll give access to the bird's nest and the air filter. So it does 3 clips.
These filters should just push in. Should be 2. That's quite good, actually. That one's alright, that's not the knee cleaning out. Tractor only does road use anyway.
Just connect to the airline. Out comes the bird's nest now. So we're putting the side back on now. Where's the screwdriver? Is that what you're looking for? I do this all the time. Can't see for looking. So it's just a quarter of a turn to... half a turn just to clip that back in on the side. Right, so now we're on to the other side and we're swapping out the oil filter. And we're putting a genuine one back on, aren't we, Sam?
Yeah.
All the filters that we're fitting today and the oil has been genuine as well.
Can't escape the mess, unfortunately.
So that's fitted and it's just nipped up by hand, and then obviously it's cleaning the excess residue of waste oil, the old oil that's run out. Shutting down the bonnet. So that's the New Holland basic engine service complete. Hope you enjoyed this one and we'll see you in the next one, and don't forget, have a beautiful time.